I'm in a bad spot. That's a bad spot.
Missing someone.
So we're on our way to Landcruiser Mountain Park, and we've just left Kilcoy. It is an absolute beautiful morning. Look at the mountains. We're just enjoying the drive. Picturesque scenery out here, heaps of fog, really nice mountain ranges. So we're just enjoying ourselves, and we'll see you there, eh?
And you deserve. And you deserve. And you deserve. And you.
Alright guys, so we're here at Landcruiser Park for Escape 2, which is basically our friend Westy's event. And we're in line. We're all going to head down to get a group photo, I think. I'm pretty sure that's what's happening. There's a big line up here, so we're all going to head down, get a group photo. There's heaps of tracks here, like it's unbelievable, this place. So it's my first time here. Once we get down to the tracks, we're going to film a lot more, but pretty keen to keep going. Got Alicia as the co-pilot, and yeah, we're just excited to get out on the track. So, let's get into it. Just before we go, I wanted to say thank you to Westy for organising this event. It's actually really well done. I'm pretty sure he's event coordinator. That's like his job role, so he's done an awesome job setting this up.
The effort and time that would have gone into it, it's really paid off.
So if you're watching this, Westy, good work, mate. You've done well. This photo done, and I'm looking at some pretty gnarly tracks right now. Well, not right now, but I was before, and it's actually looking pretty sick. I think we'll just take our own little convoy and just head off and just enjoy this place. It's actually so sick so far.
Missing someone. I am sad and so down.
We'll stay away from the sticks today, guys. Mud stays outside the car, not inside. That's about it.
That's the two rules.
I'm going to break both of those rules. That's about it. And if in doubt, right pedal out.
Oh, it's just soft.
Perfect height. Yeah. Wait. I can go there. This way. Straight at that.
Oh, he's falling back into that mud.
That's one way to get it. That was solid. Hey, Banksy! I want to follow that guy. Oh no.
Oh, well, I'm about to drive this bloody massive hill behind us.
Called Telecom Hill.
Telegraph just defeated me. It's way too wet. It absolutely rained. It's rained for 2 days straight before we come out, which isn't great, but I just couldn't get up that first rock step, and no one else is willing to drive it, so there's no point in getting halfway up and then hitting another obstacle. We could be here all day, so we're just going to move on to the next one and give that a crack, which is literally just next door. so that track that we just drove up was the other side of Telegraph, sort of the chicken track of Telegraph, but it's still very steep. I had to go down to film Ryan coming up and I only had my phone, but woo, I'm puffed. I don't even know where to go. I might need a spot. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that. It's just sliding.
Yeah.
I'm in a bad spot. That's a bad spot.
Yeah.
If I keep going, is the back going to go this way, or is that going to come up?
That's going to drop and go like that. So your rear left is going to come up still. You're only going to keep coming up.
Yeah, so that's bad.
Yeah, it's going to go that way.
We might need someone to run a snatch back.
Yeah.
Hey, I don't ever want to come full driving again. This is bad. So basically, since Tom's too sick to talk, there's a wall here and the car has just slid straight on top of the wall, with half of it on the wall and the other half down in the right.
Take it up slowly for us, Campbell, and Andrew, maybe you wait until Campbell has a strain. Right, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Tom, keep your wheels how they are. Stop there. What's going on? That's it, Tom, that's it. Wait, stop. Andrew, Campbell, just stop there for a sec. Just stop. Let's have a look at where we're at. Wait, you guys just can't roll forwards, but let me guide Tom. Tom, we're up there for a sec. Tom, a little bit of left hand down now, Campbell. If you can hold him as he goes down, keep the strain on the strap. A little bit more for us. Wait. We're up there.
I'm safe now. I'm good now.
Tom, just let yourself roll a little bit more. Righto. That's it, we're in a good position now. I think we should get the straps off now before Campbell gets too far down.
Yeah, right, boys. Good work. I wasn't scared.
That's it, Tom. That's it. Just on the brake. Work. On the brake if you are. Yep, that's it. On the brake. That's it. Slow. And you're down, mate. Good drive.
Alright, so what happened then, we'll try and put Alicia's phone footage up because she was filming on her phone. But what happened is I was coming down a really steep part. The car actually pivoted to the side and just slid. And then my left wheel was like pushed up against a bank. And if I try to go forward, it would like sort of almost roll me. It felt really bad, but luckily, actually we put a winch on the back and the winch died, so that sucked. But luckily the boys got me back with a snatch strap, just nudged me back so the front could sort of conform back over, and yeah, we're safe. I was a bit scared, not gonna lie. The footage, you know, probably doesn't make me look scared, but I was pretty scared. how sick is that? I just drove Camp Road. I'm so stoked. Normally, because I don't have sliders at the moment, I wouldn't drive something like that. But the boys were pumping me up, jumped in the car and I did it. I'm stoked because it honestly didn't feel too bad. I did get hung up on the chassis just at the end, but just a quick correction and she was good as gold. So don't know what we're doing now. Meeting up with the guys. I sort of got sidetracked a bit at the top, so that's why I'm filming in the car. But we're meeting back up with the guys, and we're just going to hit the next track. Yee-hoo! These are pretty big ruts. Not bad at all. No lockers.
That was wild.
And you did right from the start. Missing someone.
So we just got a call from one of the boys to say that he's going to do this mud pit in front of us, and they sticked it, and it's well over waist high, and he's in a pretty stock DMAX, so this is going to be hilarious. We're definitely filming this. Let's go.
Oh, throw it in there. It's a bit of extra traction for the young bloke. Soft. You've got the cesspit, eh?
Oh, look at it.
Oh, everyone's rocked up for the show. Oh, we're charging for this, by the way.
This is the rig that's doing it here. What is it? Stock DMAX? 32s.
Ready to go. Yeah, all terrains. Yep. The cesspit's got nothing. Got nothing.
I'm putting a stick where my bed is.
I'm standing where my bed.
Oh,
My
look.
bed's right here.
Jim Bean cans where my bed is.
Bottom in. Oh, yeah, bottom. I told you. We'll just get a quick snatch. Pull us back and I'll hit it harder. Pull us back and I'll hit it harder. Who's going to pull him back? I'll hit it harder. Might just check his wheel bearings quickly. Oh no, they got played all over there. Maybe he's better hitting it from that side.
Derek, do another tug. Yeah. Airbags. Oh. No, he's stuck. That almost broke the rope. Oh no! Oh, be all right still. It was almost done.
I didn't end up filling up.
Yeah. Oh, they're a soft shackle. Look at the water coming out. That's pretty much the end of today for full driving. So we're going to head back to the camp now. Probably just have some dinner, have some beers, have a laugh, and honestly, I actually missed the funniest thing. I can't even explain it, but I missed the funniest thing. I'm bummed about that, but the rest of the day has been absolutely insanely fun. That mud pool was so funny. Like, just what we pumped that guy up, the second guy, to go through that, and it was just hilarious. So yeah, just checking in with you, letting you know that we're having fun, and hope you guys are enjoying the content. And yeah, probably see you tonight.